Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create gradient background in Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a new design on Canva, and to create a gradient background, you can go to the elements and then you're going to search for the gradient element. But rather than typing the gradient, I recommend you to type in this name, contributor Danny, because if we just search for the gradient, we cannot change the color. So instead of typing the gradient, you can type in contributor Danny, and you just need to choose one of them, and we'll be able to change the color. Okay, I'm going to place it here, and then I'm going to make it bigger like this, and here we can change the color of the gradient. I'm going to select this one, for example, or this one. Okay, and for the second color, I'm just going to make it this one. Okay, that's so easy. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create a gradient background in Canva. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!